Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Discord app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on you down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here. So eventually you will find here voice, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list, then you just scrolling down here until you will find here mobile voice overlay here. Click in this sign. Sorry, we'll go back here. So you click here on mobile voice overlay here. Then it's going to take you to this list and you just scrolling down until you will find Discord. You click on this sign. Then when you will go back here, you will find it enabled with you on your Discord app. So we will click here on you. Then you go above this sign, click on it, and you scrolling down here until you will find voice, click on it. Then you scrolling down here. So then you will find here mobile voice overlay. You just click on it again, then it's going to enable with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,